Hello friends, welcome to my channel Writing Skill. Today we will learn how to read sound of double E. So let's start. F double E T feet. S W double E T sweet. S T R double E T street. W H double E L wheel. B double E bee. T R double E tree. Double E L eel. P double E L peel. S H double E P sheep. S double E seed. L double E leaf. F double E feet. F R double E tree. K N double E knee. S L double E K sleek. W double E K weak. M double E K meek. P double E L peel. F double E L feel. R double E L reel. W double E D weed. F double E D feed. N double E D need. H double E D heed. G R double E D greed. S P double E D speed. R double E D read. C R double E D breed. M double E D meet. B double E D beat. P double E R peer. D double E R deer. S double E R shear. D double E P pig. E double E P pig. E double E P key. T double E T pig. S double